This installment is from a recent event we did for victims of fires in Malibu and Pacific Palisades. In this episode, we're going to introduce you to the legal issues that they are facing and how to address them. The core legal issues, being that I'm the attorney, are first, rebuilding strategies. One of the things that is super important is if you're going to rebuild, you want to get in line to start rebuilding sooner rather than later. The process of dealing with the city, both Malibu and LA, is extremely challenging. You're going to want to write the right support system to help you with that, and you want to get in the line sooner rather than later, because the longer we wait, the more people in line, the slower the process becomes. If you are not going to rebuild, and rebuilding is not the right option for everyone, right? Especially with the Pacific Palisades, where the recovery, because of the toxic nature of the land, is going to be very slow. The timeline of rebuilding may be 3 to 4 years. That may be just too much for some people. So time may be a factor. The carrying costs, the financial aspects may be a factor. If you're not going to rebuild, knowing what your options are, because selling what you have, depending on if it has permits or not, depending upon the condition it's in or not, all make a big difference. So these are things that you don't just rush into. You have to think about and plan and figure out the right strategy for you based upon your personal and your financial condition. Understanding the pitfalls. Your insurance company's job is to minimize the payment they have to make on that claim. That's their job, right? They're not bad guys. They're not evil. They're a business, and their job is to minimize their expenses. But you've been paying them all this time. Your job is to get the most that you're entitled to from them, right? And so managing insurance and government programs that are available to you are things that you should be thinking about and managing. And then again, we're going to be talking about insurance, what that means, living expenses, layers and layers of complications that come about.